Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm gonna share with you my favorite curly hair brushes. There's about 3 of them. I'm gonna show you how I use them, why I like to use them like that, and then as I'm talking about them I will actually refresh my hair, so you'll see me use them as I go, and at the end of the video we'll see the end result of my hair. Alright, before I get into the meat of this video, if you enjoy the content of this video, please give me a big thumbs up, please leave me a comment down below, and please feel free to share with me and us and the whole community your experience with the brushes that I'm about to talk about. Also, if you guys have another brush, a different type of brush that I've not mentioned here, let me know which one it is and why you like it so much, okay? Because I'm always, I always like to try different products, so please share with me. Lastly, if you think that this content can interest a curly girl or a curly boy in need, feel free to share it with them, or even better, share my videos on your social media. Okay? Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so the first brush I'm going to talk about is the Behairful Brush. I actually have a full review video on this brush that I will link right there for you guys to see. As a little girl, I really enjoyed this brush. Not this brand, because this brand didn't exist yet, but this type of brush with the hairy bristles and the plastic one. This was my favorite type of brush to detangle. The only difference is that the one I had as a little girl was way bigger than that. It was more of a square. Maybe it's because I was smaller and it seemed bigger, but it was huge. Maybe it's because I was a little girl. Anyways, when I saw that this brush was getting popular in the curly girl community, but that they were using it to define their curls and not to detangle their hair like I used to do when I was a little girl, I got really curious, and of course I had to try it for myself. So I will link the video right here for you guys to see my thoughts on using this brush as a curl styling brush. Personally, spoiling alert, at this point it's still my favorite brush to dry detangle my hair, like I'm about to do right now. Side note, today's a day 3 or 4, can't remember exactly, and I am just going to restyle my hair one last time before wash day and take this opportunity to show you guys how I like to use all of my favorite brushes in my hair. So you see how gentle and smooth this brush is. It doesn't pull on my hair. If there's a big fat knot, it's not gonna pull and hard on it like another brush would do. It's going to gently detangle my hair. I really like how smooth and gentle this brush is, but yet because of the plastic bristles, I think it's how you say, well, we're gonna say bristles for this video, and I apologize if my English is wrong, but it's my second language, okay? So be nice. Please correct me. Okay, I'll take that. Ooh, the sun. Can you come back, please, sun? This is the first brush that I like to use to detangle my hair dry. And every once in a while, I like to detangle my hair dry. It allows me to see the state of my hair, the volume that I have, the length that I have, So that's my first favorite brush, the Behairful Brush. Again, I will link everything in the description box below. I believe that I have a discount code because this brush was sent to me by the brand, and I believe that I have a discount code. I will link everything down below, and when I edit, I will write the discount code right here for you guys. Now, one more thing I would like to mention is this brush needs to be cleansed regularly because of the hairy, softer bristles that are there. They tend to keep the build-up product a lot. Like, let me show you this one. See here, for example, I washed this brush last week, okay? And between my daughter and I, with all the built-up product and brushing your hair dry, you can see a little bit of a white powder. I highly recommend that you guys wash the brush regularly to keep it clean, to keep your scalp clean, and then voila, that's that. All right, the next brush that I love so much is a brush for wet hair. This is what it looks like. It also happens to be part of my merch. I will, of course, link everything down below if you guys are interested in getting one of those. Why did I decide to get one of those brush as part of my merch? Well, first of all, because I mostly detangle my hair while it's wet with conditioner, mostly under the shower, or like I do today, on the day 2, on the day 3 to refresh my curls if I really need to have nice defined curls. Now this particular brush is very flexible, which means that it really follows the curve of your scalp and it gives you a nice little scalp massage, which I really appreciate. I don't know about you, but I'm always in for a scalp massage. The bristles, I checked online how it spells, so now I know. The bristles are soft, they're not too hard, so they're not gonna pull on your hair too much. I like that the back of the brush is open and it makes it very easy to clean the brush. And if you guys have not noticed, I like to be able to clean my brush often. And it's biodegradable, so it's not too bad on the environment. So yeah, that's why I wanted to have this brush as a merch. Now, I still have a few available and I don't think I will reorder. So if you guys want to grab yourself a Lulu C'est La Vie brush and support your girl, you know, the link is in the description box below. So anyway, I really like to use this brush to detangle my hair when it's wet. Again, it's very gentle, it doesn't pull too hard. Now mind you, I already detangled my hair dry, so I should not have a lot of knots. But because I have very fine hair, my hair tangles very easily, so there's always going to be knots somewhere. Okay, now that my hair is wet and detangled twice, it's time for me to style my hair. To style my hair, I like to divide and conquer mostly in 3 sections. First section is the bottom part. Products I'm going to use, very simple. A little bit of, ooh, I banged that bottle. A little bit of Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Dessert leave-in conditioner. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in trying this bottle. I like it because it is super clean. There's no sulfate, no silicone, no paraben, no dyes, no gluten, and no phthalates. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit. Okay, next I'm putting a little bit of gel. Boom. This video is not a tutorial on how I refresh my hair on a day 3 or 4 because I already did this video and I'm gonna link it right here for you guys to see, because in this video I go in detail on how I quickly refresh my hair. It's like a 15-minute process. Alright, so now that I'm ready to define those curls, to restyle my curls, I am bringing in my 3rd favorite curly hair brush that I love to use every day of my life. It is the Messen Brush. Again, I will link it down below if you guys are interested. Now notice how this brush is completely different from the 2 previous brushes, okay? Soft, a little bit harder, very, very hard. These bristles are super hard. This is why I hate to detangle my hair, my fine wavy to curly hair, with this brush. However, this type of hard bristles and flexibility in the brush works really well to give my hair the clumpiness and the definition that it needs. This works 100%. Now, another option is the Denim Brush that you can see right here. Same thing, really hard bristles, but no flexibility. For some reason, I don't get the Denim Brush styling. It doesn't work for me, but the Messen Brush works a lot better. I think it's the fact that this is flexible and it has more movement. This is too rigid. It just doesn't work. But a lot of fine wavy to curly girls out there love to use the Messen brush and get amazing results. All in all, I think they're very similar in the way that they are created. It's for you to try and see what works best for you. Also, a lot of girl likes to twist. I don't know, it doesn't work for me. I don't like it. See, like, it's not, maybe I'm not doing it right, but see how I have nice wavy curls here, and I don't know. Anyhow, that's for you to try and see what works best for your style, your type of hair, how you like to style your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do my entire head of hair using only this brush. I will see you when I'm done. Alright, my loves, I'm back from diffusing my hair. This is the end result. I love it. It's, again, I'm on a day 3 or 4. I can't remember the last time I washed my hair, which means it's been a while, but my scalp is not itchy yet. Mind you, I did not really work out in the past 3 days or so, so that's another reason why I can't have such a long stretch between wash days. When I work out, it's a different story. Okay, so to recap, between my 3 in order, between my 3 favorite brush, what I can tell you is that the bristles are going from softer to harder. Okay, I love to detangle my hair dry with a very soft bristle, but yet a little bit of, it has a little bit of a hold to it. Now this Behairful brush has to be cleansed regularly, especially if you detangle your hair dry. All the excess buildup product in your hair will end up in the brush and it will make it dirty. So please wash it regularly. This detangling brush here, part of my merch, available down below, is my go-to all-time favorite detangling brush for wet hair. Okay, the bristles are a little bit harder, but yet very flexible and gentle. It's not going to pull down on the knot. And keep in mind, I usually detangle my hair with a little bit of conditioner in it, or leave-in conditioner in it, so it makes my hair a little bit more silky and easier to detangle. And finally, my favorite styling brush. We've got really hard bristle, but yet flexibility. It creates a really nice curl clump, and with a little bit of a scrunch, I got a nice curl definition. Now keep in mind, you guys, your hair curls or waves naturally. Just go with the flow of what your hair's giving you, and you will very rarely be disappointed. The only reason why you'd be disappointed is because your expectations are too high. Be realistic with what you have, and you'll never be disappointed. Okay. Let's not forget the Denim Brush. Not my personal favorite at all, but I know it works for a lot of you out there, so I just wanted to put it out there as a great option for curl definition and curl formation, if you know how to use it properly. I'm not that girl. Alright, my love, this is it for this video. Don't forget that everything is linked in the description box. If you want to support your girl, make sure you grab yourself a detangling brush or a microfiber towel, a Lulu C'est La Vie microfiber towel, if you may. I also have diffusers. I still have a few in stock. I don't know if I'm going to reorder, so make sure you grab it before it's all completely sold out. And then voila, I will see you guys. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy and healthy. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.